Welcome to this tutorial on tips for Uniswap V2, a comprehensive guide to help you navigate and make the most of this popular decentralized exchange. Uniswap V2 is a protocol on the Ethereum blockchain that enables users to trade tokens in a trustless and permissionless manner. To start, it is essential to understand the key concepts of Uniswap V2, including liquidity pools, liquidity providers, and traders. Liquidity pools are pools of tokens that are locked in a smart contract, and liquidity providers are users who contribute tokens to these pools in exchange for a fee. Traders, on the other hand, are users who use the platform to buy and sell tokens. One of the most critical tips for using Uniswap V2 is to understand the concept of slippage. Slippage occurs when the price of a token changes significantly during the execution of a trade, resulting in a different price than expected. To minimize slippage, it is recommended to use limit orders instead of market orders, as this allows you to specify the exact price at which you want to buy or sell a token. Another important tip is to be mindful of gas prices. Gas prices on the Ethereum blockchain can fluctuate significantly, and high gas prices can result in high transaction costs. To avoid high gas prices, it is recommended to use the Uniswap V2 protocol during periods of low network congestion. Liquidity providers can also earn fees by contributing tokens to liquidity pools. To maximize your earnings as a liquidity provider, it is essential to understand the concept of impermanent loss. Impermanent loss occurs when the value of the tokens in a liquidity pool changes, resulting in a loss for the liquidity provider. To minimize impermanent loss, it is recommended to provide liquidity to pools with stable and correlated assets. In conclusion, Uniswap V2 is a powerful protocol that offers a wide range of benefits to users, including trustless and permissionless trading, low fees, and high liquidity. By understanding the key concepts of Uniswap V2, including liquidity pools, liquidity providers, and traders, and by following best practices such as minimizing slippage and impermanent loss, you can make the most of this protocol and achieve your trading goals.